busy streets and busy lives. There's no time to stop and breathe sometimes. In this chase towards modernization, our roots are getting lost in translation. Aahwahan's environmental initiative aims to make India more sustainable. Through this initiative, Aahwahan has planted over 7 million trees across India. By nurturing the barren lands of earth back to health, by sowing the seeds of hope and bringing back Mother Earth from the depths of despair.
आह्वान फाउंडेशन 6 मिलियन ट्रीज को प्लांट किया, लेकिन जैसे कि आपको पता है ESG के बारे में, एनवायरनमेंट सोशल गवर्नेंस, सो इसमें सिर्फ एनवायरनमेंट पे ध्यान दिया जा रहा है। तो इसलिए ये फ्रूट ट्रीज हम फार्मर्स के लिए प्लांट कर रहे हैं ताकि फार्मर की खुद सोसाइटी को बेनिफिट हो और सब फार्मर्स इनमें मल्टी क्रॉपिंग कर पाए, जिससे एनवायरमेंटल सोशल और गवर्नेंस तीनों में योगदान हो।
और हमने बहुत सारे एफर्ट डाले हैं ये प्रोजेक्ट को सक्सेस करने के लिए, और हमारा वही उद्देश्य है कि ये प्रोजेक्ट को 100% नहीं 300% इसको सक्सेस करवाना है। क्योंकि अप्रूवा मैम जी थोड़े देर पहले ये बताया कि आपके सक्सेस के कारण आप सक्सेस होंगे, तब जाके दूसरे फार्मर को ये सक्सेस मिलने के लिए ये प्रोजेक्ट मिलेगा उनको।
Sometimes it is worth it to get our hands dirty to achieve bigger dreams. To tackle an issue such as this, it is necessary to get to the root cause. While development is a priority to a nation like India, this expansion of the idea of urbanization is accelerating deforestation and contributing majorly to climate change. It is important for us to realize the importance of plants and trees, because trees purify the air we breathe, provide food and resources, and bring about an ecological balance necessary for our survival. The initiative also encourages people to grow plants in their surroundings.
Really nice initiative. Save our
One tree can provide enough oxygen for up to 4 people. By planting over 7 million trees and plants in different corners of India, the initiative has already started to benefit a large chunk of people. The foundation aims to continue this initiative for a long time, to make this planet a better place for generations to come. As the great activist Vandana Shiva once said, "We share this planet, our home, with millions of species. Justice and sustainability both demand that we do not use more resources than we need." Sustainability also includes saving and storing water and utilizing it the right way. To ensure that, Aahwahan began the lake restoration project. Lakes have many purposes. They store water for many purposes such as irrigation, fisheries, tourism, etc. Lakes also serve as a habitat for numerous species of plants and animals. 19 lakes have been restored successfully, and this is just the beginning. On this Environment Day, let's take an oath to protect our planet Earth. Let's join our hands for a sustainable future.